Freely offers a lot of exciting potential for anyone looking to streamline their workflow and improve productivity. But before you make the leap, there are a few things you need to know that could save you both time and money. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether Freely is right for you. The first thing to consider is how Freely compares to other tools in the market. With platforms like Asana, Trello, and Monday.com dominating the project management scene, you may be wondering what sets Freely apart. Unlike many of its competitors, Freely focuses on a minimalist design that's super intuitive. It's easy to use right out of the box, which means you won't waste time getting your team up and running. In contrast, with more complex tools like Monday.com, there's a steep learning curve that can really slow things down. If you value simplicity and speed, Freely's user-friendly interface is one of its biggest advantages. Next, the second thing to consider is how much you're actually getting for your money. Unlike many software companies that offer limited free trials or entry-level plans, Freely offers an extensive free version. This gives you the opportunity to really explore the features without committing right away. Many of its competitors have either expensive plans or shorter trials that leave you wanting more. With Freely, you get more flexibility and the chance to get your team involved in the process before deciding to upgrade. The third thing is integrations. Freely seamlessly connects with tools like Google Drive, Slack, and other common business apps. This is huge because, unlike other platforms that require a lot of manual importing or use of third-party connectors, Freely makes the integration process painless. Whether you're pulling in data from other sources or just want a smooth communication flow, Freely integrates with the software you're likely already using, saving you a lot of time and effort. Moving on, the fourth thing to know is Freely's collaboration features. With most project management tools, collaboration can feel clunky, especially when multiple team members are working on the same project. But Freely's design keeps communication fluid and encourages collaboration with shared calendars, to-do lists, and chat features. If you've used platforms like Trello or Asana, you know that keeping everyone on the same page can sometimes require jumping between multiple tools, but Freely keeps everything in one central location, making teamwork much more efficient. The fifth point worth mentioning is how customizable Freely is. It doesn't matter if you're a freelancer, a small team, or a large company, Freely can scale with you. Unlike some other tools that are rigid in their workflows, Freely allows you to customize task views, timelines, and reminders according to your team's needs. This means you can adjust Freely to fit your specific business process rather than adapting to someone else's pre-made framework. Next thing, Freely's mobile app. If you're someone who works on the go or your team is often traveling, you'll love how Freely's mobile app functions. With the app, you can stay up to date on tasks, make quick edits, and manage projects no matter where you are. While some competitors like Asana and Trello also have mobile apps, Freely's app is optimized to give you a smooth experience that feels just like using the desktop version. And finally, the seventh thing you need to know is the customer support. Having used Freely, I can confidently say that their support team is one of the best in the industry. With responsive chat support and helpful tutorials, they make sure that you're never left hanging. If you've ever dealt with lackluster support from other platforms like Monday.com, you'll appreciate how Freely's team goes the extra mile to help you solve problems quickly. If you're seriously considering trying Freely, make sure to check out the link in the description below. You can get the best free trial and exclusive benefits by signing up through that link, which is a great way to test out everything that Freely has to offer without any risk. So, to sum it up, Freely's minimalistic design, robust integrations, scalability, and mobile app make it an excellent choice for businesses looking to streamline their processes. If you want to try it out for yourself, click the first link in the description to get the best offer and start your free trial today. You won't regret it.